Generating 200 million views and 600,000 followers in a few months is possible while spending only 10 minutes a day on content creation. A no-code AI content engine automates every stage of the pipeline, from scraping the web for ideas and scoring viral potential to writing scripts and generating final videos. To build this system, you connect 6 specific tools: Feedly, Make.com, the ChatGPT API, Slack, Perplexity, and 11 Labs. This architecture relies entirely on visual, drag-and-drop connections, so it requires no prior coding experience to assemble. The goal is to move beyond manual content creation and build an automated system that handles the repetitive logistics of production. The first step is configuring Feedly, an RSS aggregator, to monitor the internet for emerging trends in your specific niche. You input specific industry keywords, like AI tech startups or funding, so the system captures every relevant new article or post the second it goes live. To route that data automatically, we use Make.com. This software acts as a bridge, allowing these separate applications to communicate without requiring any code. Inside Make.com, you set a simple trigger. The moment Feedly captures a new piece of content, it instantly forwards that data packet over to OpenAI. This automated data pull ensures you have a constant stream of raw information without having to manually search for new ideas. We use the ChatGPT API to process the raw data flowing in from Feedly. An API is a software bridge that lets 2 distinct programs communicate directly with each other. To get reliable results, the AI requires highly structured instructions. We apply the Google prompting framework to ensure our evaluation requests are entirely clear and specific. In your prompt, instruct the AI to rate the incoming topic's viral potential on a scale of 1 to 10. Base this rating strictly on a provided list of your top 100 past-performing posts. There's a strict limitation called the context window, the maximum text the AI holds in active memory. Dumping your entire library will overload the system. Instead, feed the AI only your highest-performing historical data, keeping instructions safely within capacity. Limiting the input to your absolute best historical data allows the model to predict which new topics align with the patterns of your viral success. Now you need a way to review these scores. Back in Make.com, you add a Slack node to serve as your alert mechanism. You apply a logic filter. If the AI scores a topic above 7 out of 10, the idea gets forwarded to Slack. Anything lower is automatically discarded. Once this filter is active, you only interact with a curated feed of high-potential notifications, complete with an AI rating and a one-click approval button. This introduces the human-in-the-loop rule. Your role is to log in for a few minutes each day, review these pre-qualified alerts, and manually select the top 3 or 4 ideas. Automation is used for the logistics of sorting, but this manual checkpoint ensures the final content is filtered through your specific taste and intuition. Clicking Approve in Slack triggers the Perplexity API. This AI search engine instantly conducts deep, automated web research on that exact topic. That research document is then routed back into ChatGPT, which takes over the script writing phase. You give the AI a specific scripting rule. It must write exactly 1 main body script, accompanied by 5 distinctly different hooks for the intro. Finally, Make.com pushes the text into 11 Labs to generate a cloned audio track of your voice, while a diffusion model, an AI that generates images and video, creates your visual avatar to match. With 5 video variations complete, you post all of them to dummy social accounts. Measure the 3-second retention metrics to find the clear winner before posting to your main account. This process removes the guesswork. You are testing variations in the wild to see what captures attention before committing them to your audience. You have now built a functioning, no-code engine where AI agents execute 90% of the production pipeline. AI is capable of handling templated labor and replication, but it cannot invent new concepts or identify original patterns outside of the data it was fed. By automating the logistics of research and production, you shift your role from a manual producer to an original thinker. Your time is spent solely on identifying the high-level ideas and wow moments that the AI isn't programmed to see. Implement this Make.com workflow today. Use AI to handle the heavy lifting of scale, so you can focus exclusively on original invention.